Hello and welcome. So let's take a rapid assessment to determine if two computers can establish a connection, enabling insight into the significance of network ID in this context. So I have two computers on my screen, 192.168.1.107 and 192.168.1.110. So friends, we want to understand the significance of network ID here. So as you know, network ID is used to identify the network itself. And let me tell you one very important thing before we proceed. And it is, if you want two computers to connect to each other, right, through a wire or wireless connection, and if they are directly connected to each other, then the criteria is that if you want to connect these two computers, you need to have network ID of both these computers same. So now here, if you look at the IP address of these two computers, to identify whether I can connect both of them, I would first calculate the network ID. So if two computers connected directly to each other or any two network devices, right, then their network ID has to be same. So in this case, if I calculate the network ID of the first computer, it is going to be 192.168.1.0. How I got this is by making the host portion as 0. So this is the class C IP, and last field is the network field. So I have, and last field is the host field, and I have made it 0 to get the network ID. In the same way, if I look at the second computer, it is again a class C address, and the last field is the host field. So if I make it 0, I'm going to get the network ID as 192.168.1.0. So now if I compare both these network IDs, they are one and the same, and that is the reason I should be able to connect these two computers. Moving to the next example, here the IP address of the first computer is 1.107, wherein the IP address of second computer is 2.110. Now, if I calculate the network ID, it is class C, so last field has been made 0 here as well as in the second computer. But if I see the address, it is 192.168.1.0 and this is 192.168.2.0, which makes them different. So even if both the computers are part of class C, but their network ID is not the same. And that is the reason I cannot connect these two computers directly. So with this, I think you must have understood the concept of network ID. If two computers want to connect to each other, then their NID should be same. So friends, in the next section, we'll see the concept of private IP addresses. Thank you.